are going to love the 2015 GMC Yukon XL. GMC Yukon XL is a great choice for families who need a full-size SUV with maximum seating. The looks don't hurt either, and it's priced below $35,000. This vehicle has less than 110,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: towing package, heated side mirrors, traction control, intermittent wipers, daytime running lights, remote keyless entry, fog lights, power brakes, auto-off headlights, power driver mirrors. A vehicle like this doesn't come along every day. Come in and get it before someone else does.